Team-based organizations. Lesson 2. Different ways of organizing your team. When the structure of a company changes from a traditional hierarchy-based company to a team-based company, many leaders are in doubt about their new role and how much they can or should intervene in the new teams. Therefore, the understanding of the difference between leading a team and co-leading a team is important because this is a basic part of what makes a team different from a group. Typical team-based organizations. A team can be either monodisciplinary or multidisciplinary. A monodisciplinary team consists of people who have the same kind of competences. Examples could be a group of servants at a restaurant who have the same skills and help each other with the tasks at hand. Another example could be sales team who work together about performing the same function in a company. A multidisciplinary company is a team of people who have different skills and therefore perform different kind of tasks within a project. One person cannot substitute the other because the nature of their individual tasks is different. Examples could be an operating team at a hospital. The doctors and nurses have different tasks while operating. Only the doctor can operate and only the nurse can prepare, remove, and clean while the doctor is operating. In both types of teams, there are some standard roles which are team leader. The team leader normally has a team of 3 to 4 people. He or she is usually not a part of daily operations, but is responsible for creating the tasks, assigning people to the tasks through the team coordinator, supporting and guiding the team, evaluating their performance, giving feedback. Team coordinator. The team coordinator can be chosen by the team leader or by a vote in the team. This role can also be passed from person to person based on an interval of time. In some cases, one person is both the team leader and coordinator at the same time. Is this the case? It is important to keep a good balance between authority and autonomy. The nature of a team is that it has freedom to make its own decisions. However, sometimes the people in a team have low skills and inability to make decisions, and therefore it needs a stronger leadership that mostly instruct instead of supporting the team. A team coordinator is responsible for performing the tasks given by the team leader, communicating and delegating the tasks to his or her team, being an active part of the execution of the task, making sure that the quality level is reached, giving feedback and suggestions about the work to the team leader. Team member. The team member performs the tasks together with the other team members. If the team has 12 members, the team could work together in groups of 6, 4, 2, or 1, depending on the tasks at hand. A team member is responsible for performing the tasks given by the team coordinator, giving feedback to the team leader about the execution of the task or suggestions on how to improve processes. In Model 2.1, we see a monodisciplinary team that consists of one team leader who is responsible for 3 teams. Each team has their own team coordinator who is directly involved in the tasks of their team. Each team coordinator has 12 team members who perform the tasks of the team. The team is monodisciplinary because all team members share the same competences and perform the same tasks. Knowledge and experiences can be shared across teams during meetings feedback. Team leaders connecting to other groups of team leaders. In a hospital or another organization, there are several teams that work together. In the hospital, it could be doctors and nurses. When the organization has several types of teams, it is important that there is a team of team leaders that coordinate and decide on how to handle the tasks. In the leader team, each competence must be represented so potential conflicts can be avoided. This means that a representative from both the nurses and from the doctors should be present in the leader team. In this way, the leader team becomes a multidisciplinary team consisting of several competences. In Model 2.2, the team leader of each team is connected to his or her own team of leaders in which strategies and decisions are made and passed on down the hierarchy to the teams. This structure is more flexible because the team leaders work closely together. Say, for example, that the team leader is not present, but a decision needs to be made. In this case, the team coordinator can go to one of the other team leaders and ask for advice, because the team leaders share a similar understanding of how to handle specific tasks. On the other hand, the other team leader needs to be careful not to go too far beyond his or her own field of expertise to avoid conflicts with the team leader of the asking team. Clarifying questions. The leader should consider what rights and duties that falls to him. This can be clarified by reflecting over these following questions. What is expected of him in relation to his own team and to others? What is the primary function of the team, and what is it not allowed to do? What are the rights and duties between the team and the customer? What areas are unclear?